going on, youth workers? Paul Turner here from the discipleproject.net with another video today. If you're brand new to the channel, thank you for visiting today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, by the way, if you want videos like this in your inbox on a regular basis, and I hope that you do. Today, we want to talk about Gaga pits and Gaga balls, specifically on how to play. A few years back, Gaga was all the rage, but I feel like there's almost 7,500 of you, and I'm going to say that probably 10% of you maybe don't know about this game and don't know how to play it and how easy it is to set up. So let me give you the basics. The basics are this. You have an enclosed area with a ball. Students try to hit each other with the ball by hitting with their hand, trying to hit the other players in the enclosed area below the knee. That's kind of a big deal. One of the other rules is this: if you knock it out of the pit, you yourself are out, so don't knock the ball out. So those are simple rules, but I'm going to give you some other tips at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and watch how it's played.
Gaga. Whoa! No! You're up. You're out. You're out. You're out. Hot, you're out.
Now, as you can see, this is super simple. I just took a bunch of tables, put it in an enclosed area. Now, this is not the typical size. The typical size Gaga pit is about 15 feet. It's about 15 feet, wide. So this particular one, I don't know, maybe it was 10 feet, maybe something like that. But the deal is that I liked it that way because it was rapid fire games. I was able to go through probably 6 to 10 games with students. This is not a very big room that we're in, so we used another room. We just put the tables around. Easy to put up, easy to put away. And the great thing, too, about this is that you can have tournaments. You can have, team on team. You can have individual competition, all that kind of good stuff. In fact, there's quite a few Gaga supplies there on Amazon. So I'm going to put some links down below to various things like, Gaga t-shirts. You can actually get inflatable Gaga pits. Those are down there as well. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do choose to purchase something, some pennies come my way just to help support the channel, so I want to thank you for that. If you want to check out another video I did on Gaga, I built my own pit right over here. You can check one of the videos there. You can check that out. And once again, I'd love to hear from you. Leave me some comments down below. Is this a game that you have played? Is this something that you think your students would like? I would love to hear from you. Leave me a comment down below. And until the next video, have a great week, everybody.